Hello friend, welcome back. How to enable auto data filler in incognito mode as well as for the local HTML files. So if you are using this tool and you want to use this in incognito mode, suppose you open incognito mode here in browser, by default you will not see auto data filler. For an example, like let's say you go to any page where you want to enter some values or field, like here on practice page, suppose you want to enter some email ID, you want to test this particular field, mobile number field or the payment page field, and you want to utilize the auto data filler for the quickly filling the data for exploratory testing to test this particular field with multiple values, different kinds of values. Then in that case, by default you will not find this auto data filler here in incognito mode if you have installed it. Also in for the local HTML files as well, like here by default you see, if you right click here you will see the auto data filler because we have installed this, right? So how you can get that? And if I show you for the local HTML file, like let's say this is a payment page which is a .html, you can see that this is a local HTML file which we have just opened, a local HTML page. So here also like by default you can see, but will it work here or not, that we need to see. Like let me just try to enter value, you see that it is not working right now. So how can we enable this auto data filler so that it fills the value here for local HTML files as well as it starts appear in incognito mode? So it's a very simple setting, and in fact this setting is pretty much same for all the browser extensions. So what you have to do, first of all you will see that auto data filler here, the logo, right click on the logo and click on manage extension, and here if you scroll down you will see that two options, allow in incognito and allow access to file URLs. So what you have to do, you have to just turn on these two toggles. So first one is for incognito. After turning on this, you will now, if you go to incognito, you will see that auto data filler here. Just refresh the page, and now if you try to just right click here, and you will see the auto data filler option is here. If you want to enter some value, you can enter the value here in any language or whatever. You see that if you want to enter the card number, you can select the payment cards, you can select whichever card value you want to enter, valid, invalid or whatever, and you can quickly in fact test this, like, oh, this is, see that it is throwing the error. So you can validate these field with the help of this auto data filler quickly, which very helpful for exploratory testing. Similarly, now we have turned on allow access to file URLs. So if like this is the file URL, local HTML file, and now if we try to enter some value here, and you see that now value is getting entered here. You want to enter card value, so you can enter those card values as well. You want to enter some expiry date and all those fields, you can basically get that. So this is how very simply you can make the use of auto data filler, or you can enable, you can say you can enable auto data filler for the local HTML files, local HTML URLs, as well as for in incognito mode. What you have to do, again I will repeat, just right click on the logo of auto data filler, click on manage extension, and here you have to turn on these two toggles, allow in incognito, allow access to file URL. Okay, by default if you don't see the auto data filler logo in your toolbar, here right top corner, what you have to do, click on this default extension logo and then pin it to toolbar. You see, you will have to pin, so then it will come here. Okay, yeah, that's all for this tutorial. If you have any question, any feedback, please do let us know in the comment section. Also do let us know in the comment section which all tools of SelectorsHub you are using daily and which one is your favorite. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.